After a meeting with Charles, Wamboi, one of the 9 Kikuyu queens, is now reasoning like a mature trader. This is her story. Candlesticks are like bad Tinder dates. They show you how the night started, how high your expectations climbed, how low your standards fell, and how it all ended in regret. Whether green or red, the ending is the same. You wake up broke, embarrassed, and wondering if it's legal to marry your broker. Now here's a thought from Charles. There are really only 2 candlesticks in every chart. That's it. 2. According to Charles, a programmer using a computer cannot code randomness. It runs on zeros and ones. A computer can stretch numbers but can't invent chaos. The number must be divisible by 2, and it is always an even number. Stretch a candlestick, and suddenly traders lose their minds, thinking the market has changed. Charles told Wamboi that a chart is stretched so that values look different, and traders interpret the stretch as a new market revelation. Nope. You're just watching the same 2 clowns in different costumes. Every candle is a crime scene. Buyers stab, sellers stab back. You can't even sit straight, hoping not to get caught in the crossfire. By the end of it, you're not sure who's bleeding more, the market or your account. Stare at the chart long enough and you'll start convincing yourself that random squiggles are patterns, when really they're just your bank account spelling out a cry for help. Moving averages offer no salvation. They arrive late, speak with false authority like that drunk uncle on your wedding day. They act like they knew everything all along and still somehow get treated like the 3 wise men. By the time a moving average confirms a signal, the market has already mugged you, emptied your pockets, and sold your kidneys on the dark web. But hey, at least the line looks smooth while your life collapses. The smooth operator is late, smooth and steady on a one-way road to Broke Island. Candlesticks give you the messy details, the chaos, the drama, the sudden betrayals. Moving averages give you the bigger picture. Yes, my child, the family fortune is gone. The trend is still dragging you down the street by your ankles. Put them together and you get the full story. One's the horror, the other's the narration reminding you the horror is real. Both are a cocktail that basically offers free couples therapy for traders, except the therapist is drunk, and you're paying with your last shred of dignity. In trading, candlesticks are the jump scares, fast and violent moves that wipes you out in seconds. Moving averages are the slow burn, reminding you every day that the end was inevitable. And the punchline? Both are right. They are the perfect reminder that in trading, the truth hurts, just at different speeds. Candles kill you quickly, averages kill you slowly. Pick your poison, trader. If you want to learn more about candlesticks, like and subscribe.